What are you going to tell us about having a baby?
Hello, and welcome to the Hoagie channel, where we will tell you how parents have babies. Well, parents buy Hoagies with some kind of belly button lint in them. And it goes out of their belly button and it crawls behind the couch.
Wait, what?
Where do you want me to start again?
They buy Hoagies.
And this belly button lint crawls out of their belly button.
Wait, there's belly button lint in their belly button?
Yeah.
What does it have to do with, what does that have to do with buying a Hoagie?
Because it's in the Hoagie, and it comes out of your belly button, and it crawls behind the couch and eats.
So all of Mommy's friends that are trying to get pregnant should listen to this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it eats table scraps from behind the couch. And
It's a belly button lint that crawled out of the Hoagie? You have me lost. Okay, go on.
You're gonna make me explode. And
Gab.
you know why babies smell so bad?
Wait, let's hear about the baby thing. Let's go back.
Okay, because they eat the table scraps.
Okay, what happened?
And then, when the mother opens the door and she's too fat to close it again, the stork flies in and grabs the belly button lint and takes it out. And then
Okay, slow down, because you've got me a little confused, and if you've got me confused, I'm sure that I'm not the only one confused.
the mother's like, you stork with my belly button lint. And then the stork goes, and it drops the belly button lint down into the mother's stomach. And it gets so sad that it goes, and it explodes into a baby. And then it peeks out of the mother's stomach. And when
How does it peek out?
It's eye.
No, I mean, what does it peek out of?
It's a belly button.
So it's kind of like a window? Like they have in the dance studio where we can see in, but they can't see out. Okay.
Yeah, but then the baby, when it sees the mother eating salmon, sometimes its tongue sticks out of your belly button, and it gets scared, and you're like, and you go to the tongue, and then that's why babies don't have teeth, because you knock them out and you're smacking the tongue to get back in your belly button.
Okay. Anything else? How do the babies come out of the belly?
A stork comes and hits the mother so hard she thinks she's going to have a baby, and then the stork takes the baby out of the mother's belly button and flies into the air, and the mother says, I'm having the baby! I know! I'm having the baby! And then
So that's why it hurts, because the stork gets it out of the belly button.
You go to the hospital and you are so scared, your eyes are closed and you're screaming and you're pushing.
What are you pushing if the stork's already taken the baby out?
The little pieces of salmon that the baby ate.
Oh.
And then the stork throws the baby into the doctor's hands, and she thinks it came out of the mother's butt.
Oh.
And that's how you have babies.
The baby comes out of the mother's butt? I don't think so.
Maybe it came out of her mother's butt.
Oh, I'm not thinking so, but okay.
And this is the conclusion of Hoagie Channel by Misty and Gabby. See ya!